Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern Eid Adha Poster Design in Adobe Photoshop. So stay connected till end to watch the complete process. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open the layer panel. If it's not there, bring it from the window menu. And create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all to change its font. Here I am using Gotham Black font. Adjust its size and do the center align. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Press Ctrl+T, and drag it downward. Then press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T for duplicates. Hold the Shift key, and select the text layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then add a layer mask to it. Go to the Gradient tool. Use these settings. And apply like this. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Prompt of this image is mentioned in the description. Go to the Object Selection tool, and make a selection of the subject. Then add a layer mask to it. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my text settings. Place the mosque image for its background. Adjust its size on the artboard. Add a layer mask to it. Use these settings. And apply like this. And decrease its opacity to 18%. I have this cloud PNG. Place it here. I have this 3D icon. Place it here. Go to the filter menu, blur and then motion blur. Use these settings. And hit OK. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.